To our top story, the TMC and BJP war has now reached Mamata Banerjee's doorstep. CBI has summoned wife and sister-in-law of Mamata's nephew Abhishek Banerjee in a coal smuggling case. A CBI team is likely to visit the residence of Banerjee's sister-in-law, Menika Gambhir, at about 11 a.m. to question her in the case. The probe team is also likely to make another visit to Abhishek Banerjee's house to question his wife Rujira Narula in the case. This after a three-member CBI team had to return from her house yesterday after finding that Narula was not present there. Sources in the CBI claim that Rujira's name cropped up during its investigation into smuggling of illegally mined coal involving smuggling racket operating in western part of Bengal. Sources say that during the course of investigation, CBI came across the material hinting alleged involvement of Narula in the scam. While the TMC has alleged political vendetta, BJP made a stunning claim saying that Rujira was hiding illegal wealth in Thailand.
ওদের তো হাতে এই এজেন্সিগুলো আছে যারা যাদেরকে ওরা চোর বলেছিল, যাদের ভাগ বলেছিল, তাদেরই তো দেখছি ওদের মন্ত্রীদের পাশাপাশি ঘুরে বেড়াচ্ছে। সিবিআই বলুন, ইডি বলুন, ইনকাম ট্যাক্স বলুন, এগুলো সবাই জেনে গেছে। এগুলো আর নিরপেক্ষ বলে কিছু নেই, এগুলো সব বিজেপির অফিস হয়ে গেছে। অভিষেক তো কোনো ব্যক্তিগতভাবে নোটিশ পাঠায়নি, একটা মিথ্যে তথ্য প্রকাশ হয়েছে তার বিরুদ্ধে করেছে ব্যক্তিগতভাবে পলিটিক্যাল। দেখুন ওরা তো প্রতিহিংসা পরায়ণ, ওরা পাবে মানুষকে এসব করে ওদের দিকে নেওয়ার জন্য। মতাদর্শগতভাবে যারা মজবুত আছে তারা কোনোদিন মাথা নামাবে না।
सबको मालूम है एक कुल स्मगलिंग, सैंड स्मगलिंग, स्टोन स्मगलिंग और गाँव तस्करी, गाय का तस्करी, इस सभी में कोलाबाज भाईपो और उसकी एसोसिएट सब जुड़ा हुआ है। ये सबको मालूम है, सीबीआई को कार्रवाई करना चाहिए। अरे पूरा के पूरा सबूत लेकर तो सीबीआई काम कर रहा है, सबूत तो सबका हाथ में घूम रहा है। वो मैडम डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है तो पता चल गया ना।
My colleague Sneha Mordani earlier spoke to BJP General Secretary Kailash Vijaywargiya on CBI's heat over Abhishek Banerjee's wife. Listen in.
ये पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे कि आपके खिलाफ जो एलिगेशन अभी आ रहा है, ये आरोप है कि सीबीआई के छापे नहीं है, ये केंद्र सरकार की तरफ से बीजेपी का समन है क्योंकि चुनाव आ गए हैं।
देखिए, सीबीआई एक ऐसी संस्था है, इंडिपेंडेंट संस्था है जिसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की बात सारी दुनिया में मानी जाती है। मैं समझता हूँ कि कोई लालबाग का थाना थोड़ी है कि किसी को भी पकड़कर 302 में बंद कर दिया, किसी को के ऊपर भी एनडीपीएस लगा दी अभिषेक के कहने पर, ममता जी के कहने पर। आखिर सीबीआई है और सीबीआई जैसी संस्था यदि मुख्यमंत्री के परिवार के घर में नोटिस दे रही है, इसका मतलब उनके पास पर्याप्त सबूत होना चाहिए। और इसलिए ऐसी बात करना मैं समझता हूँ कि नादानी वाली बात है, ये बिल्कुल नासमझी वाली बात है। और इस प्रकार की बात करना मैं समझता हूँ कि एक संस्था को बदनाम करने जैसी बात है। जहाँ तक चुनाव का सवाल है, चुनाव अपनी जगह है। अब सीबीआई ने अगर कोई जांच करने के बाद उनको नोटिस दिया है तो ये सीबीआई को ये तो नहीं देखेगी कि चुनाव है अभी नहीं देना चाहिए। जब उनको तथ्य मिलेंगे, जब उन्होंने नोटिस दिए, इसलिए इस प्रकार की नहीं करें तो ज्यादा अच्छा है।
Massive escalation in Bengal political war. CBI has mounted heat on Mamata's family, serving notice to Rujira Narula Banerjee, the wife of Didi's nephew Abhishek Banerjee. Take a look.
First you contest with Abhishek Banerjee and tell the name
टीएमसी का एक ही नारा है, भतीजा बढ़ाओ। भतीजे के कल्याण के अलावे टीएमसी के मन में और कोई कल्याण नहीं।
मेरे पोस्टर हटा देंगे और एक तरफ पीसी, एक तरफ भाईपो। स्वागत।
Big escalation in battle for Bengal. After explosive face-offs over Mamata's nephew, the BJP-TMC war has reached the inner circle of Mamata. A team of CBI officials reached Abhishek Banerjee's Harish Banerjee Road residence on Sunday, serving his wife Rujira Narula Banerjee a notice for immediate questioning in the coal scam and money laundering case. CBI sources say Rujira's name had cropped up during investigation into coal smuggling case registered against alleged kingpin of the pilferage racket. Sources also claim that during recent raids and recordings of the statements, CBI came across material hinting alleged involvement of Abhishek Banerjee's wife. Reacting on the notice, TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee took to Twitter saying he won't be cowed down by these ploys of the BJP government. Sources say illegal coal worth crores was smuggled with the help of government officials and politicians. The agency on November 28 had raided over 45 places in West Bengal in the illegal coal theft case. With Paulimi Saha, Bureau Report, India Today.
Suryagni is now joining us live for the very latest details. Suryagni, for our viewers this morning, they do not know about those developments that have happened on Sunday. There has been a lot of hectic back and forth that is going on with the CBI notices going out to the family members of Mamata Banerjee. If you could walk our viewers first through all that has transpired and whether or not Mamata Banerjee's family is now cooperating in the CBI probe.
Well, to sum it up for our viewers, the three-member team of the CBI visited Abhishek Banerjee, Trinamool MP and Mamata Banerjee's nephew's house yesterday and issued a notice to his wife in an alleged money money trail in a coal scam that the CBI is investigating since 2020 November. Now the Trinamool has been hitting out vehemently on the BJP and the centre, specifically because none of the charge sheets or the investigation as of yet by the CBI has not revealed or stated Abhishek Banerjee's name. So the Trinamool is of the opinion that this is just another another tactic by the central government to intimidate and rather threaten young politicians, or rather the Trinamool Congress, just before the elections are going to be called out. Secondly, the BJP still claims that it's not a political warfare. It's the agencies are doing their job, and the CBI is just investigating what they should. Today, sometime around 11 that we gather, a team of CBI will be going to the house of Menaka Gambhir, who is the sister-in-law of Trinamool MP Abhishek Banerjee. She stays somewhere in the eastern side of Kolkata of the city's outskirts, and that is where she will be, she will be speaking to the CBI officials. That is something that we have been, following since yesterday. So Abhishek Banerjee was not summoned. It was only a notice that was sent to his wife and to yesterday, and also another notice to his sister-in-law, Menaka Gambhir, who will be facing some questions by the CBI at her residence today. Back to you.
Suryagni, thanks for encapsulating all those Sunday developments and political developments for our viewers right there in West Bengal. We're going to come back to you. This remains to be our top focus this morning on India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.